Hello, so this is our first review session, and in this review session we basically went through chapter 1 and chapter 2 and made sure that we knew the main bullet points. So starting with like the shaping of North America and the peopling and the early Americans and the Europeans when they entered, we made sure that we kind of like knew the relative location and like the relative dates for each of them. And also we went through vocabulary that we didn't know, like the three sister farming, where each field was used as a different cropping location kind of thing, and it alternated every year.
And we went through the review questions for chapter 1, which we thought could be a good help, maybe because it's coming from the book, and so it would be good help on the quiz we're having. And we went through the Moodle questions, and we just kind of helped each other out on the questions we didn't know and we didn't get right on the first try. So, yeah. And we also reviewed for chapter 2 together, and what we did was we summarized the chapter to each other, so we kind of knew what we were doing, just in case neither of us got one part of the section of it. And we kind of reflected upon the pictures, just so we just in case there's like a picture question on the quiz we were having.
And also we went through the yellow quotes that were there, and we did like a short hips on it, so we knew what context it was referring to in the chapters. And that kind of helped because the documents, they kind of just reinforce the concepts in the chapter themselves. And
we also did the review questions for chapter 2 and the Moodle questions.
And for this chapter, we actually looked at the excerpt on the Iroquois, the blue things that were in there, and that we just looked at it because it was interesting, and so it actually really helped getting a feel on what the Indians were doing, or like the Iroquois Confederacy. So just the little things really help when you're like studying.
That is it.